Hello and welcome to you. I'm so glad you're here. It's a brand new day full of possibilities. This meditation will help you to get ready with a clear foundation in your soul for calm and intention. I'm Diana and I'm honored to guide you. Let's begin. Settle comfortably, sitting down and allowing your back to softly lengthen. Rest your hands gently on your knees, palms facing up for openness or down for grounding, honoring what your body needs this morning. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, fully welcoming this fresh start. And as you exhale, gently and completely release any lingering tension or thoughts from yesterday that are no longer serving your peace. Continue to breathe naturally and easily. Let your awareness softly travel throughout your body. Notice the gentle feeling of the air softening tightness you may feel in your shoulders, your brow, your chest, or anywhere else you hold stress. Take a deep breath in and allow the wave of your breath to wash over any areas that need a little extra care this morning, and release any shadowy, heavy energy as you exhale. Let's turn our attention inward to set an authentic intention for the day ahead. How will you show up for yourself? What quality do you truly need to embody today? Is it self-compassion, so you meet any mistakes with kindness? Is it patience as you connect with others? Or is it resilience to navigate challenges that may arise? Gently place your hands on your heart. Feel the warmth and commitment to yourself to bring your chosen intention into every interaction. Connect with your intention and ask, what does it feel like in my body to be patient or compassionate or strong? Imagine this intention radiating outward from your heart, a gentle, steady light shining on the experiences of your day. This is the power of your intention. Holding your attention in your mind's eye, let's now use our breath to awaken and energize your body for the day ahead. We will use a steady awakening rhythm, breathing to the count of 4 for the inhale and a count to 4 for the exhale. It will feel pretty quick, and this will be what gives you energy. I'll count for 4, and then you keep counting. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing. Inhale the freshness of this morning. Exhale, letting go of all lingering sleepiness. Inhale, receiving strength. Exhale, releasing hesitation. Inhale, breathing in clarity. Exhale, breathing out any mental resistance. Inhale, gathering focus. Exhale, softening the brow. Inhale, feeling capable. Exhale, let your shoulders drop. Inhale, embrace the day. exhale, settling the mind. For the next minute or so, let's sit in quiet stillness, integrating this sense of energy and purpose. Feel the warmth of your intention spreading through every corner and every crevice of your body. Sense the radiance of this present moment. Allow a soft smile to grace your lips, accepting this moment exactly as it is. And as we gently bring our awareness back, carry this feeling of calm and awakened energy with you. Remember that you're not hoping for a good day, you're choosing to approach today with intention. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Save this meditation and come back to it anytime you need to get your day off to a fresh start. Subscribe to 3 Leaves. I have a new meditation for you each week. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, be well.